Alright my people, so you can see right here we have some onion, we have ginger, we have fresh thyme, and we have some green bell peppers. And here so I have some garlic. So I'm gonna blend these. These are already cleaned. Guys, we also have scotch bonnet here, so we're gonna put the scotch bonnet, and we also have some scallions. All right, this is what it looks like. We have our chicken here ready, pimento, we're gonna add a little Old Bay to it. Gonna add a little Maggi all-purpose. And yes, wanna add a little smoked paprika to it, alright? We're also gonna add one of these to it. Then you want to add some of the regular jerk seasoning. All right. You see that? Nice. So we're leaving this to marinate for at least half an hour up to an hour. But in most cases, you can do this from overnight. Just leave it inside the fridge. Just let that season soak in for a better flavor. We're gonna get the things ready for the grill and then we're gonna head outside. All right, let's go. So yeah, we're gonna start put on the chicken now, and then we'll just get the ball rolling. All right. Alright people, so meanwhile that cook, I'm gonna go ahead and kick back a little bit. Alright, see you guys later, yeah? Alright guys, so this is our first check. I can see how them look. Kinda crispy still. But here what? Nothing wrong with that, you know. Alright guys, so in the meantime I go ahead and make a little sauce to kind of brush over the chicken. Nothing really too crazy. Get some ketchup. Gonna add a little bit of the jerk seasoning as well. And since we're outdoor, still gonna use a little bit of the red stripe. Alright. Now normally when you're making this, sometimes you can put a little honey in it, but you really don't want it too sweet. You want most of the spice. Nice. Now as you can see, I add a little plant on the side for going and roast. You know what I mean? That's gonna be the side. And like me say, it's just a little home style chicken. So yeah, niceness still, you know. Alright. Keep it moist and looking good, you know what I mean? Alright people, so this should be the finishing touch. I could see it, look here now. Whoa. Yes, I. Yeah man, that is what we're talking about. Yeah man, nice home style jerk chicken, and see that the plant ready, cause you can see it start to burst already. So right about now, I have to prepare myself a piece of this people, so I have to do the taste test and make you know what I want, alright? So, wanna stay tuned. Alright people, so let's see what it look like there. A time now for me to eat. Alright, so yes my people, so everything kinda done now. So time for you taste test. Yeah man. People, that one is bad. So here what me. I go on and enjoy this, you know. I wanna stay tuned for the next video. But in the meantime, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment for me, no? I know what you think about that video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.